The thing I love most about you, aside from your beautiful eyes, is your sense of adventure. You trust me implicitly, whether it's planning exotic trips for us, rappelling down 200 feet into caves full of glowing worms, skiing the Swiss Alps when you only had skied a few times before. You jump in every time, and I love that about you. Every experience in my life is better with you.
Jason, United Airlines and you have made a great team. But your best complimentary upgrade happened this afternoon. Morgan is a lifelong upgrade who compliments you perfectly. And she is the finest thing in your life. Prepare for gate departure. Please lift your glasses to their upright and locked positions. For a toast to the bride and groom, united forever. Enjoy your flight.
Jason Devenier, a beautiful name that I am now proud to say I can actually pronounce. I knew in my heart that you were the perfect match for me when I met you on February 7, 2015. Our undeniable connection was clear right away. No one has ever felt so right. I was always searching for a man I connected with, emotionally, physically, intellectually. I found that with you, and only you.
My heart is so full, seeing you here today, so happy, married to the man that you love. My hope for you and Jason is that through thick and thin, you always approach each other with kindness. That you always look at each other like you do today. And that your love continues to grow. Always.
It's just another night, and I'm staring at the moon. I saw a shooting star and thought of you.
I love you unconditionally with all my heart. I vow to always be there for you, to support you and encourage you, to challenge you, to help you achieve all of your dreams. I look forward to a lifetime of adventure with you. I promise to try my best to make you happy and keep you laughing. We make a great team. I'm so lucky to be standing up here today with you, honored to become your husband. I love you.
But I can see the stars from America. I wonder, do you see them too? So open your eyes and see the way our horizons.
And want to welcome Morgan to this chaos that is ours. And if I have to leave Jason in the hands of someone else, I'm so happy that I will be his non-DNA #1 fan. Morgan, you have passed all the tests. You have endured all the curveballs and the oversharing. And now, from most outspoken person in our family, I would love to welcome you to the Deveniers with open arms.
All of these stars will guide us home. So open your eyes and see the way our horizons.
I promise to always encourage you I will be honest, respectful, and supportive in your dreams and goals. But most of all, I promise to trust you. I promise to love you with all my heart and soul, as your wife. As your wife, I am completely yours forever and always. I love you.
Both of our hearts bleed. All of these stars will guide us on and on.
By the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jason, you may kiss your bride.
I can see the stars from America.